So, ayun guys. Yan. Namiss ko mag-upload. Welcome back. Bakit ako mag-upload? Iba nang lari lang ito ngayon guys. Nag-improve na guys. Aray ko. Pero siyempre guys. Ito pala yun. Wala nang dapat dito. Mas masarap kalaro ang kakilala kaysa hindi kakilala. So ayan guys, mag-start na kami. Alright guys. So may i-flex nga pala ako mamaya guys. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, diba dati locomotive lang yung skin natin. Ngayon, tignan nyo. Siyempre, roaming pa rin tayo. At ang ating hero ay walang iba kundi si Franco. And guys, ban natin din. Natin si Angela. So, aim. At si Yisun Shin. Natutulog yung S4.
Your team is picking.
Guys, tatanong. Okay. Show na tayo. So, tinanong lang natin si Esper kung ano nakakatakot.
I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning.
Ayan, guys. Naghihintay tayo ng sagot kay Esper. Kasi wala naman nakakatakot kay Leslie. Feeling ko may kalalagyan kami dito. So, guys, nakita nyo ba yan guys? Dati locomotive lang. Ngayon meron na tayo
I am vengeance incarnate.
Blazing Axe na dati nakukuha lang natin ng libre. Quantum Vanguard. At ang latest na nakuha natin ay si Wetfield Nightmare. So ang gagamitin natin ngayon ay si
This time,
which is nakukuha
the choice is
sa
mine.
Halloween special ni ML. So ang lineup namin, ako, Franco, XP namin si Johed, mage namin, Savior, yun yung asawa ko. Sa kalaban, ang support nila Estes, which is nakalimutan nila. Moskov. Si Moskov, yung basketball player. Tapos, si Chu, and then Julian so far. So, ang gagamitin daw ng MM namin na nagban ng Leslie, si Mia. I don't know why.
I am the moonlight that
Pinanyo
breaks
si
through the
Leslie.
darkness.
So, ang core namin, Silver. Babalak. Hindi pa nilalaki yung hero eh.
Kill all at once.
Enemy is picking.
Saurix Academy Greatest
Chang'e
Prodigy,
ang main.
here to
Ang
save
katapat
the
ng
world.
asawa ko ay Chang'e. So, ayan guys. Na mag-uumpisa na yung battle. May the best team win. So, ito na. Na-miss ko mag-upload guys. Pero bago yun, don't forget to like, share yung YouTube ko. And then, subscribe. Don't forget to comment na rin guys para may interaction. Comment kayo kung nagandahan kayo or nagalingan kayo sa performance namin each match. Ha?
Welcome to Mobile
until the enemy
Peace
reaches
bomb
the
tayo.
battlefield. Smash them!
May hindi nag-peace bomb.
All troops deployed!
Wala ka, hindi kita tutulungan mamaya. Isip bata eh, no?
Time to teach you guys a lesson. Let me teach you some rules, Cubs.
Ayan,
One shot, one kill.
lang, may healer. Iba talaga ang support. So, pang hapde. At least, nahili siya ng HP. Ayan, ang tank.
Real fighter never runs.
Papalabang ako dito, guys.
First blood!
First blood. So, next na bubuhay natin ngayon, guys. Lagi niyong tatandaan, pag tank kayo, tapos Franco Yuki. Una muna yung boots. Pangalawa yung dominance. Guys, minsan kasi, nakikita nyo, wala namang kailangan buuin na Radiant Armor, pero dahil may tank, kailangan natin
Teach you guys a lesson.
very difficult kasi sobrang daming kailangan buuin.
An enemy launch attack!
Kaya sila dito, guys. Moskov.
Request backup!
Understood.
First blood tayo.
Request backup! Okay! Initiate retreat!
Kinakalabit tayo.
Enemy reached level 4.
Nakalabit tayo ng buliyak.
Let me teach you some rules, Cubs.
Nilag.
An ally has been slain.
Lang. Pinatay yung MM ko.
Request backup!
One shot, one kill.
Request backup!
Real fighter never runs.
Walang
An ally has slain the turtle! Request backup!
sayang, guys. Nakailag.
Understood.
So, tatry nating pumitas. Try natin pumitas.
Let me teach you some rules, Cubs.
Sayang, hindi ko na-hook.
Initiate retreat!
Grabe namang reasoning yun. Labi lang.
One shot, one kill.
An enemy has been slain!
So, yun. May assist na tayo sa wakas. Alam nyo, guys, pag tank user kayo or support, mas pipiliin nyo pang
Real fighter
mag-assist.
never runs.
Yung kill kasi bonus na lang yun. So, for me lang, kayo, kung may sarili kayo mas best.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Initiate retreat!
Understood.
Well played!
Kasi for me, mas mahalaga yung assist sa support. Sa mga matured mag-isip, ha? Hindi sa mga grade 5 na pang-utak. Utak na pang grade 5.
Understood.
Let me teach you some rules, Cubs.
An enemy has been slain! Request back! Okay!
Angat na naman ng Mia. Nakailag tayo tayo. Medyo mabagal tayo dun. So kapag tangka, medyo dapat meron kang presence of mind. Mabilis ka din mag-isip. Kaya niya, guys.
You have slain an enemy!
So we have the liberty to get
One
it.
kill.
Ano na yan, wala na silang core.
An
So,
ally
walang
has
magre-retreat
slain
sa
the
kanila.
turtle!
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Request backup.
Understood.
So need natin i-support yung MM natin. Medyo alanganin siya. So may lapses tayo dun.
Killing spree.
So, makapatay ulit tayo guys. Swerte natin sa
Thank you.
positioning. Hindi KS yung tawag dun. Sayang wala tayong ano. Matagal pa yung ano natin. Yung cooldown.
Solo kill.
Hindi na natin patayin guys.
Mega kill. An enemy has been
Patay ulit
slain.
tayo.
Your team destroyed a
Medyo
turret.
swerte tayo sa kill
Thank
ngayon.
you.
Ang current standing natin guys, 4 kills. Ayan, matay na ako. Pero ang tapang ng asawa ko. Tagal pa ng cooldown guys. Ako, mukhang mamamatay yung core namin.
Initiate retreat.
One shot, one kill.
So, kailangan kong balikan yung MM ko guys.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Ally has been
Okay.
slain.
Yan, medyo binakura na nila yung ano, turtle. Kasi kanina hindi siya nakakuha ng turtle. So, hindi na tayo
The
magko-contest.
enemy has
Layo
slain
na
the
rin ng
turtle.
core namin. Sa kabila na siyang ibayo.
Real fighter never runs.
Initiate retreat.
So, maganda rin may kating kayo na nasa tabi naman. Kasi mas napapaalalahanan kayo. Mas malapit. So, ang sweet lang talaga.
Request
pag ganun.
backup.
Tatago tayo sa bush.
Killing spree. Request
Para may
backup.
panapata tayo. Ayan, pwede tayo mag-push.
Understood.
Request backup.
Para wala na siyang kill.
Understood.
Kasi pagka mga ganun, tumataba pa eh.
Solo kill.
So,
That was
yan.
amazing.
Pwede na tayong mag-push. So, ayan, kaya
Let me
kailangan na
teach you
natin
some rules, cuz.
pero tingin-tingin pa rin kayo sa mga bush. Ayun, ako guys.
Your team destroyed a turret.
One shot, one
Tayo,
kill.
hindi tayo nakakuha.
Mega kill. Launch
Solo
attack.
kill.
Well played.
So, ayun guys. Tatry ulit namin.
Request backup.
Understood.
Real fighter never runs.
So, atras ulit tayo kasi
Request backup.
Let me teach you some rules, Cubs.
we have to.
Request backup. Okay. Ally has been slain.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Ally has been slain.
Gather at the Lord. Understood.
So, ayun guys.
One shot, one kill.
Gather at the Lord.
Okay.
Gather at the Lord.
Okay. Attack.
Teach you guys a lesson.
Great play.
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. Okay.
Superb tanking.
Let me teach you some rules, Cubs.
Request backup.
Understood.
So, ayan guys. Lamang kami sa kill pero lamang sila sa
Attack enemy Lord.
A real fighter never runs.
Instant kill. Great play.
Actually, pwedeng gawin yun.
Enemy has been
So, nakuha
slain.
natin si Chang'e kasi ang sakit niya.
Superb tanking. Great play.
Okay.
Great play.
So, ang tagal.
Time to
Ayun,
teach you guys a lesson.
Kaka-item na tayo ng mga malupitang galawan ng mga hindi mo malilimutan.
Request backup. Okay. Okay.
Time to teach you some rules, cubs.
Destroy the turret.
Ito tayo.
Request okay.
May pa-epan. So, try natin tulungan si...
Request backup. Our turret is under attack. An ally has been slain. Killing spree.
Instant kill. That was amazing.
Kasama naman daw
A
sa
real
top.
fighter
AAP.
never runs.
Kumahan daw yung sa top.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack. Request backup. Okay. Double kill.
Ayan guys, pa-double kill yung asawa ko. Grabe guys.
Tanking.
Well played.
Double kill niya yung puso ko. So ayun guys, palakasin mo rin yun.
Solo
Ako
kill.
nang bahala. Pwede hugutin mo guys. Tara. Sayang, wala akong kasama.
Request backup.
Understood.
Okay. Your team
Gather up the Lord.
Okay.
Gather at the Lord.
So mag-lord daw kami. Gagawin na namin.
Request backup.
Understood.
Mega kill.
Instant kill. That was amazing.
Slain Lord.
So nakuha namin yung lord nila. Kanina
One
sila
shot,
nakakuha.
one kill.
Pero ngayon kami naman.
Time to teach you some rules, cubs.
An enemy has been slain. Unstoppable.
May pupusit na isa guys.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Destroy attack.
Ayan guys,
Okay.
hindi namatay.
Follow Lord.
Ang bahala.
Request backup.
Understood.
Real fighter.
Team destroy the turret.
Uy, ayun o.
Killing spree.
Grabe yung asawa ko guys.
Monster kill.
Instant kill.
Request backup.
Ito guys.
Mega kill.
Ayan guys, so minsan may laro tayong maganda talaga. Minsan naman may off night.
Understood.
Which is totoo yun. Kahit sa basketball nangyayari.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Initiate retreat. Team destroy the turret.
Pwede na itong i-end guys.
You destroy the turret. Request backup.
Instant kill.
Well played.
Brilliant tanking. Great play.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Kaya ganda pwede mong hilain yan.
Killing spree.
Ayan guys, end the ball. So, luckily, we win. We won. Tamang term. Past tense.
Victory!
Nakita nyo naman. Ayan, Mythical Honor, 35 stars na tayo. So, road to Mythical Glory. Ayan. So, MVP tayo, fortunately. Ayan. Ayan guys, katuwang yung misis ko. 4 kills, 0 deaths, 14 assists. Yung asawa ko, Kiefer Bryant, 6 kills, 2 deaths, 12 assists. So, yung isang death niya doon, lapses ko yun actually. Iniwan ko siya kanina sa top. Pero, bawi tayo. So, ayan guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ayan.